Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Begin with Code. I am Pooja. I will be teaching you C programming from the basic to advanced, completely from zero. After watching this series, you will be able to understand and start coding in programming. So let's start. Before we start coding, there are two things you must have on your system. First one is VS Code is a code editor. Think of it like a digital notebook. Just like we write things in Hindi or English in a notebook. In a code editor, we write our code. It helps us write editor and manage our program easily. The code editor we will using is called VS Code. We need to hear GCC compiler and VS Code. I'll be explaining how to download VCC code. So let's start to download it. First, you need to go Chrome, open Google Chrome or any web browser. Search here VS Code, download. Click on the link that says download Visual Studio Code Editing. This is the official site. Download for Windows. Click the Windows download button. It will start downloading the exe file. Here my Visual Studio is installed. Click I accept the program and next. If you want to show on your desktop, then click here. Again next and install. My Visual Studio setup has installed. Click finish and your Visual Studio editor will be open. I have already installed, that's why my screen is visible like this, but your screen will be different way. Let's start to move install GCC compiler. Search the GCC compiler and first link will be open. You will be confused. That's why I'll be share you link how to download GCC compiler. You go and check description. You can go through this link. I'll be explain you how to download it. Firstly, you need to download the file which is I given you, and next step is download. Click on download executable file, click on yes to install it, then click on create and uncheck option for online updates. Check for updates file on the TDM GCC server, then MinGV TDM 32-bit, click there, then next, click next, click on install, then next, then finish. your GCC compiler will be installed.